We have Cardano, symbol ADA versus the dollar, and we have a little bit of a inverted cup and handle right here. My favorite formation of all time, but as long as this thing is above about 220, I do look for this one to, well, complete the formation, and that will very likely imply targets down to about 160 to 170 or so. Now I would get bullish on this thing back again, I would get bullish on this thing again back above about 230. Yeah, let's just call it 230 in this case. That would look pretty damn good, especially on a daily closure. Weekly, corrective here. Again, long term, this is pretty damn good. I'm sure that we had some bearish divergence right there. Oh, what do you know, we did. Monthly, again, long term, very, very good. So make no mistake about it. Like when I'm talking about potential downside targets, these are probably long term opportunities on something like this. Not really bearish in my opinion, as long as you're especially above like 1.5. I hate that I'm saying like so much. I do apologize about that. It's not a good habit to be forming. Let's go check it out over here. See if these agree, and then maybe come up with some more biases and some areas of interest. Hourly going to be flopping down below about 210. Okay. 4 hours going to be up as long as above about 208.5. 12 hour is down as long as below 220, 222 actually, and daily is down as long as below about 215.5. Yeah, I would be more downside angled on this one. I mean, this one's pretty much bearish as long as below about 220. Above 220, I would be looking for another retest around your prior highs of that last failed attempt. And that would be my invalidation point for just generally getting bullish on this thing back around, 270 to 280 or so, and probably continuation end of year. Again, a long term, very, very good. Quarterly chart, very, very good. No doubt about that. I just expect that this one goes through a little bit more of a sideways consolidation here on the higher term timeframes. Short term timeframes, however, I mean, we technically even have some hidden bearish divergence forming right here as well. If this does complete a lower high, which will be had with any sort of a 4 hour closure below about 208 actually. So close this baby below 208. And I'd generally be looking for continuation of trend. In this case, where the next technical target be on this one? Do something like this. Well, yeah, that would be your 170 to 180-ish region. Or sorry, 160 to 170-ish region. So fair enough. Hopefully that was helpful. Again, invalidation back above about let's call it 222 in this case. Until then, not so hot, sir. So hopefully that was helpful, sir.